Today students, in chapter number 7 pronouns, we will learn about the words which are used in the place of nouns. So pronouns are the words that come in place of nouns. They help to avoid repetition of words. For example, Sheena is well known because Sheena is not only a great writer but also because Sheena is kind and courteous. You can see that the word Sheena, or you may say the noun Sheena is repeated again and again. So to avoid that repetition, we will use another word in the place of noun, that is Sheena, and it is pronoun. Sheena is well known because she is not only a great writer but also because she is kind and courteous. So the words she are used to avoid the repetition of noun Sheena. So in the first activity, we have to underline the pronouns and encircle the nouns. One example is done for us. Helen is popular because she is kind and polite. Helen is the noun because it is a naming word and she is used in the place of Helen, so it is a pronoun. Reena is angry as she lost her purse. Word Reena is noun. She and her are the pronouns. Ramesh lost a pen. It was gifted by his uncle. Ramesh and uncle are the nouns and his is the pronoun. Dr. Ajay could not see me because he had an emergency call. Dr. Ajay is the noun, where and me and he are the pronouns. Meera and Rita are all dressed up because they are going to the party. Meera and Rita are the nouns and they is the pronoun. Ice cream is good to eat but it can cause weight gain. Ice cream is the noun because it is a naming word and it is used in the place of ice cream, so it is a pronoun. Now coming to personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns which speak of persons just like nouns. Pronouns can also be used in singular and plural form. Now for first person, if we use pronouns I, me, we, us. In first person pronouns we talk about ourselves. हम खुद के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. Second person pronouns are used when we are talking to someone. You is both for singular and plural second person pronouns. The third person is used when we are talking about someone else. हम किसी third person की बात कर रहे होते हैं. And for third person pronouns we use he, she, it, they, him, her and them. For possessive pronouns, these are the other types of pronouns that indicate ownership or possession. They come at the end of the sentence. Mine, ours, theirs, hers, his and yours are the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns tell us about ownership and possession. कोई चीज़ जब हमारी हो, हमें बिलोंग करती हो, तब हम possessive pronouns यूज़ करते हैं and they are always used at the end of the sentence. For example, this house is mine. ये घर मेरा है. These dresses are theirs. ये dresses उनकी हैं. In first person possessive pronouns we use mine and ours when we are talking about ourselves. जब हम खुद के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, then we use mine and ours. Second person possessive pronouns are used when we are talking about someone else and we use yours in the second person possessive pronouns. In third person possessive pronouns we use his, hers, its, theirs when we are talking about any other person. In this activity we have to fill in the blanks with proper personal pronouns by choosing the correct option. I have not done my work. Because it is written have, so we will use I. If you don't have your books, you can share mine. We wanted her to come home immediately. My grandmother told me a story, not mine a story. Where were you yesterday evening? Because it is were and we use you with both the singular or plural form. Here we have were, so we are using Were means plural form. So we are using you. He bought an expensive gift for her. John was unkind to me. I cannot forgive him, said Peter. Our parents love us very much. Now in question number 2 on page number 81, we have to rewrite the possessive pronouns. The car belongs to you. This car is yours. The pen belongs to him. This pen is his. The dog belongs to them. This dog is theirs. We use yours for you, his for him, theirs for them, yours for you, and ours for us. This rose is for you. This rose is yours. The toy belongs to us. This toy is ours. Now, the pronouns for number and gender. For the first person pronouns, we use I, me and mine for singular form and we, us, ours for plural form. Singular form is that in which we are talking about one person, place, animal or thing. And in plural form we talk about many person, places, animals or things. In second person, in singular form and in we use you, and in plural form we use yours. In third person pronouns, we use he, him or his in masculine form, or for males we use she, her and hers for feminine form or females. We use they, them and it for common nouns when in singular form, and we use they, them and theirs for plural form in third person. In this activity, we have to write the singular, plural, male, female and common noun or pronoun for the given words. She is a beautiful girl. She is singular and feminine form. We, the teachers, love our students. We is plural and it is common. We is used plural because there are so many people, because there are so many teachers, and common because we is used for both males and females. They are going to Mumbai today. They is plural form because there are so many people, and common because they is used for both males and females. Why don't you come with me? You is singular and common. It can be singular, it can be plural, and it is common. Me is singular because you are talking about only yourself, and common because me can be used for both boys and girls. Please visit her office and collect his prizes. Her is singular because we are talking about one girl and it is feminine form. His is singular for one boy and masculine form. It is a pleasant day. They went cycling. It refreshed them. They is in plural form and in common because there are so many people, and they can be used for both boys and girls. It refreshed them. Again, it is plural form because there are so many people, and also them is used for both boys and girls.